guys, it's me, Jaden, and nothing. Oops. You guys right there. Maybe right here. Okay, can't really see my face, but okay. How to make slime? It's like this stuff. It's kind of sticks to your finger. Not really. I don't think you can see. Like, kind of sticks to your finger, but napkins. Okay, what you will need is something to put this stuff in. Something to stir with. Something to put it in. And you will need cherry blossom shampoo, not conditioner, shampoo. Little salt. Can't really see it, but only a little pinch of salt. Okay, what you will do is you'll pour just a little, or how much you want, in here. Come out. Has to be like the thick stuff, not like the watery stuff. Kind of, yeah. Okay, come out. See, it's like gel stuff, like Jello. See, it's like Jello stuff. That's the kind you need. And I'm just gonna make a little bit, not a lot. Come out. Okay, I got it. You can't really see it because the light. I'll turn the light on. Be right back. Snap. I'm back. I don't think it really worked out, but okay, I got a little in here. Can you kind of see it? Kind of. Okay. I'm doing a YouTube channel, so I don't want to go in here. Okay, you want to like stir. See how it's already like a mixture? See, that's the kind of stuff shampoo you need. Okay. And once that is stirred a couple times, is Mom coming? Yeah. Put that back real fast. I don't want to get in trouble. Then you will need salt, a pinch of salt. Put that one back. Fast, hurry up. I don't want to get in trouble. Sorry. Just don't want to get in trouble. Just need a little pinch of salt on top. Okay? Then you stir it together.
I'm just kidding, she's not coming.
I'm doing a YouTube channel, so.
You can't. Remember what Grandma told you?
What Grandma told? Yeah, but remember we live with Mom?
So you can go on electronics.
Yep. Okay. It should be like
Come
this.
on, the YouTube channel.
It should be like this.
I don't want to.
Yeah.
And it should look like this kind of. Like a really slimy stuff. See? Like that.
No.
See? It's like really slimy.
No, I don't know when, but hopefully soon.
See? And if you don't think it's right, if you don't think it's right, then you can just like you can add more salt, but if you add too much, it will be watery. Okay, so hi, thanks for watching. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe.